So this is this is the micro-digital signage. We're calling it interactive shopping. We think this addresses three key segments and stakeholders. One is consumers, the other is retailers, and then the third one is manufacturers or consumer packaged goods manufacturers. From a consumer perspective, we have things that you can do on these displays that are bring together social media capabilities like ratings, a 5-star rating of a product, Twitter feeds, different things like that, as well as things like coupons you can stream to the shelf edge, and even things like multilingual support. You can allow the consumer to change language of the product details. So this is very valuable in multilingual environments where you go grocery shopping and you have no idea what the package says, or this would allow you to actually bring that information to light for the consumer. Other things, this technology, what we're talking about is a ring topology. So each one of these is actually an HTML web browser, HTML5 web page. So you can insert as many rings as many pages as you want. Perhaps on this particular product, I want to have a connection to the customer service representative. So I would have a small little Skype session right here where I could touch it. The camera would see me, and I would see the customer service rep, and I could ask the customer service rep right at the shelf edge about that particular product. Candy, probably you wouldn't do that, but maybe something like Band-Aids, if they have latex in them or not, or other things where you want to talk to the customer service rep. And then other things that you can insert in this menu, things like what other consumers bought. And then, so that's the consumer perspective. We think there's lots of cool things that we haven't even discovered yet. So every time they have to change the price from $4.99 to $1.99, they have to do it at 20 different locations. And so that one price change is 20 different updates throughout the store. And candy is a simple one. Coca-Cola or Pepsi or the big bottle, they have little stations throughout the entire store because they're trying to get those, walk-by sales. So this allows that updating to take place. And then the other thing that the retailers get are these planogram capabilities. So you can image planogram to these things, and a planogram is really where the product is supposed to be located on the shelf. The retailers have a very complex methods for designing where product is located and what product goes next to what product. And so managing that today is all by paper. We're using little ruler sticks, measuring tape. And this would allow that to be completely automated. And then from a manufacturer's perspective, the manufacturers like it because Intel Labs is working on an algorithm that will take the video from the unit looking across the aisle, and it looks and sees where there's out of stock or no stock, low stock across the aisle. That then can send a message back to the manufacturer as well as the retailer that they need to restock that particular good in the aisle.